Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unhide a hidden contact shortcut on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Facebook Messenger app on your device. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access the main menu options. This is your gateway to all the important settings and features within Messenger. After tapping the menu icon, a list of options will appear on your screen. From this list, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This section houses all the configuration options for your Messenger app, including privacy controls, notifications, and account preferences. It's essentially your control center for managing how Messenger works for you. Now that you're in the Settings section, you'll need to navigate to the privacy controls. Look for an option called Privacy and Safety and tap on it. This is where Facebook Messenger keeps all the features related to your privacy, security, and contact management. It's an important area because it gives you control over who can reach you and how your information is shared. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, you'll see various options related to managing your contacts and privacy preferences. Look for and tap on Hidden Contacts. This specific section contains all the contacts you've previously chosen to hide from your main Messenger list. When you hide a contact, then move to this separate area, keeping them out of sight from your regular conversations. Once you're in the Hidden Contacts section, you'll see a complete list of everyone you've hidden. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific person you want to unhide. The list shows all hidden contacts in one place, making it easy to manage who you've previously removed from your main view. When you locate the person you're looking for, you'll notice an Unhide button or option right beside their name. This button is specifically designed to restore that contact back to your main Messenger list. Go ahead and tap on it to reverse the hiding action. And that's it. The contact has now been restored to your regular Messenger list and will appear alongside your other conversations. You'll be able to see their messages and interact with them just like any other contact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.